b हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया था 2. So substitute the value of b in the given equation to find the value of a. So a is equal to 5. Now write down next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, 2x square plus 5x plus 1, find the value of alpha plus alpha beta, means this is the sum of zeros and this is the product of zeros. First we will find the sum of zeros and product of zeros from the given polynomial and then substitute their values. So first the polynomial is 2x square plus 5x plus 1. Polynomial px is equal to this. Now find the sum of zeros, means alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b over a minus 5 by 2, alpha beta c over a, so 1 by 2. Now substitute the value, alpha plus alpha beta, minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 4 by 2, answer is minus 2. After this, write down the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of alpha square minus beta square. Then find alpha square minus beta square. Write down the next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial px, ax square plus bx plus c, then find the value of alpha square minus beta square. So here, here we find alpha square minus beta square. We know that alpha square minus beta square is equal to alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. We know this. Now what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Minus b over a. Let it be number 1. अब हमें किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है? Here alpha minus beta. इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. How can we find the value of this? Now alpha minus beta whole square. What is this? It is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. इसके इक्वल होता है. अब हमें अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यू तो पता, बट हमें अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू नहीं पता. So what will we do? Can we write like this? It is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. A plus b whole square की आइडेंटिटी यही होती है, a square plus b square plus 2ab. इसमें से अगर हम इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना चाहें तो किसके इक्वल आ जाएगी? a plus b whole square minus 2ab इक्वल टू a square plus b square. तो वही हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. ये as it is नोट कर लेंगे. So this is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Clear? Now we know that alpha plus beta is minus b over a whole square. Alpha beta is c over a. इसको आगे सॉल्व करते हैं. मैं इक्वेशन 1 को यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. alpha minus beta minus b over a is number 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. b square over a square minus 4c over a a square, LCM आ जाएगा b square minus 4ac over a square. Now next is we have to substitute this value in equation number 1. ये आया हमारे पास वैल्यू अल्फा माइनस बीटा होल स्क्वायर की वैल्यू आई. अगर हम अल्फा माइनस बीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें तो ये स्क्वायर रूट में आ जाएगी b square minus 4ac over a square. Now substitute the value in 1. 1 में अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस बीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अल्फा माइनस बीटा की वैल्यू क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ b square minus 4ac over a square into minus b over a, or we can write like this minus b over a. ये स्क्वायर रूट में a स्क्वायर है तो बाहर आके ये a बन जाएगा. So this a into a और न्यूमिनेटर में क्या आ जाएगा? b square minus 4ac. So your answer is minus b square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by a square. Note down this question. First note down and then if you have any doubt you can ask. तो जितना भी आपको होमवर्क मिल रहा है उसको साथ साथ करते रहना. Now next question. Find all the zeros of polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 3 if two of its zeros are today I will send you the case study questions of chapter polynomial and tomorrow we will discuss those questions day after tomorrow. And two of its zeros are minus root 3 and root 3. So these are the two zeros. इन zeros के साथ हम find out करेंगे next zero. Now these are the zeros. तो factors क्या बन जाएंगे? Since minus root 3 and root 3 are the zeros of polynomial px, therefore x minus root 3 and x plus and x minus root 3 which is equal to x square minus 3 is the factor of polynomial px. अगर वो फैक्टर है तो वो एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल करेगा पॉलिनोमियल को. So we will divide the polynomial by x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 3. इसको x square minus 3 के साथ डिवाइड कर देंगे. x cube divided by x square is 2x. So it is 2x cube minus 6x minus plus cancel out x square minus 3. X square divided by x square is 1 plus 1. So x square minus 3 minus and plus. So next factor is find all the zeros. Cubic polynomial hai. Two zeros are given. So only one zero we have to find. So that is minus 1 over 2. So here you can write 2x plus 1 is the factor of px. But question में 0 पूछिए और minus 1 by 2 is the zero of px. अगर फैक्टर पूछते तो हम यहीं तक छोड़ देते. 0 पूछिए तो उसको सॉल्व करके फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. सो minus 1 over 2. Note down this question. Next, there are two questions. Both questions are same. We will do one question from them. Write down if the polynomial if the polynomial x4 plus 2x cube plus 8x squared plus 12x plus 18 is divided by another polynomial x squared plus 5, the remainder comes out to be px plus q. Find the value of p and q. Find the value of p and q. Find the value of p and q. So here, yes, Arsha, आपने हाथ खड़ा किया. Do if the polynomial this is divided by another polynomial, the remainder comes out to be px plus q. So first we will divide both the polynomials. Book में भी question इस type का किया था in optional exercise. Divided by x square plus 5. Now divide the polynomial x square x4 plus 5x square so 2x cube plus 3x square plus 12x plus 18. Next is plus 2x. So 2x cube plus 10x x square plus 2x plus 18. Now last plus 3. So 3x square plus 15. 2x plus 3. Now compare with the px plus q. उन्होंने remainder हमें क्या दिया? Px plus q. So compare the remainder with it. Therefore 2x plus 3 is equal to px plus q. दोनों side compare कर दो. Here the coefficient of p, x is p. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So p is equal to 2 and constant term is 3. So q is equal to 3. Now note down this question. Next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, x square minus 2x minus 15, then form the quadratic polynomial. Then form the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So from the given polynomial, first we will find the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Here sum of zeros alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b over a. Minus b over a. b की वैल्यू क्या है -2/1, so alpha plus beta is equal to 2. You can directly write alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and alpha beta equal to c over a. C is -15/1, so alpha into beta is equal to -15. -15. Now we need the quadratic whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So now alpha plus beta is 2. अगर हमें 2 अल्फा 2 बीटा चाहिए तो इन दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे दोनों साइड्स. अल्फा 2 इंटू अल्फा प्लस बीटा 2 इंटू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड्स बाय 2. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 2 अल्फा प्लस 2 बीटा इज इक्वल टू 4. So 4 is the sum of zeros of the another polynomial and alpha into beta is -15. हमें चाहिए 2 अल्फा 2 बीटा मींस 4 के साथ हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है इधर 2 इंटू 2 4. तो दूसरी साइड में भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे विच इज इक्वल टू -60. तो पॉलिनोमियल क्या बन जाएगी देयरफॉर पॉलिनोमियल इज x स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ जीरोस -4x -60. or you can write the another polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta is x square -4x -60. आप इसको वैसे भी कर सकते हो जैसे हम कहते थे इक्वल टू -b/a इक्वल टू c/a. c की वैल्यू -60, b की वैल्यू -4 और a की वैल्यू 1. You can directly write the polynomial. Question is if one zero is the reciprocal of the another zero means अगर एक जीरो अल्फा है तो दूसरी 1/अल्फा हो जाएगी. So we can write alpha and 1/alpha are the zeros of given polynomial a square plus 9x square plus 13x plus 6a. Now we will find the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros क्या आ जाएगा alpha plus 1/alpha which is equal to -b/a -13/a square plus 9 and product of zeros is alpha into 1/alpha which is equal to c/a is 6a/a square plus 9. अल्फा अल्फा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास a square plus 9 is equal to 6a. a square minus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक बन गई यहाँ से. इस क्वाड्रेटिक को सॉल्व करके we can find the value of a. a square 9 है हमारे पास -3a plus 9 equal to 0. a common a -3 common a -3 is equal to 0. So a -3 तो a की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी आपके पास 3. So value of a is equal to 3. Now try next question yourself. Same as this question. Question is if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial and the polynomial is 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4 and alpha is equal to 1/beta. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Again, first we will write sum of zeros alpha plus beta which is equal to -b/a. So minus of -2/4. So 1/2. Now we can substitute alpha with 1/beta which is equal to 1/2. And the next one is alpha into beta is equal to c/a k minus 4/4. Alpha is equal to 1/beta into beta k minus 4/4. Cancel हो जाएगा. So 4 is equal to k minus 4 or k is equal to 8.